What is going on, guys? It is Cameron with Lebanon Ford Performance, back with another video today, and this one marks a pretty special new series we're going to be starting. So this is the first installment of a new group of videos that we're going to be doing periodically throughout the week. This is going to be F150 Friday. We're going to be having F150 Friday as well as Mustang Mondays. So every Monday and every Friday, expect some sort of Mustang or F150 related video, whether it be one like today where I'm showing off a very special truckload that was just dropped off, as well as some other special F150s in our inventory, or I could just be talking about certain model changes, anything that changes throughout either model. If there is trim changes, updates throughout the model year, anything that happens within the Mustang or F150 world, expect to hear it or see it here on Mustang Monday and F150 Friday right here at Lebanon Ford Performance. So without further ado, on this first video for F150 Friday, let me flip the camera, give you a walk around of some special inventory that just hit. Wow, I do not know if it showed, but I was looking directly into the sun and I can't see a thing now. But so here we are. Here's our first few trucks that just showed up off of the truck this morning. So we have a couple more colored trucks, or if you don't know about these colored trucks, we are fully customizing these in every way. You will see some of them throughout this video, but we got two more orange ones. These are all based on 101A 4x4 F150s. We lower them, supercharge them, wheels, tires, full interior. We do the whole works, but we can also, if you catch them before we build them, we can give you one of these stock trucks just with a supercharger on it. So we have two new orange ones, a red one here. And the red is super special because this is synonymous of the old F-150 Lightning. It is back here at Lebanon Ford Performance. These are all very special order trucks, so you cannot find these online. These are all special ordered here at Lebanon Ford Performance. Here we have another one of these stock trucks for now. This is a sweet, like Ranger green truck that has tons of potential. We've built two in the past. One is in New Jersey with its customer, and the other one is sitting right here. This is one that is fully custom and fully done. So as you can see, it has painted bumpers right off the bat. It's got custom wheels and tires. This one's sitting on a set of nice gray Ford Star wheels wrapped in some high performance all-terrain Toyo Proxy ST3s. Again, painted bumpers in the rear. And then the interior, you can see it. It is a brown with a tan, well, it's like a saddle with a gold stitch on the inside. And it is and there's the whole bench, and these are heated seats as well. The ultimate package for sport and class in a truck like this, and a color that you're just guaranteed not to see again. It is such a cool color. Even in stock form, it just looks so different. And then this one here has been taking the internet by storm at the moment. We cannot post anything on this truck without it absolutely blowing up. This is a full yellow F-150 that's built in the same language as the green one. So it is lowered on a Ride Tech kit, just like the green one and all of our vehicles are. Lowered on a Ride Tech, full OEM painted front and rear bumpers. This one also got the mirrors, and we did wrap the roof gloss black to break up some of the yellow, and it also contrasts perfectly with the gloss black Ford Performance side vents, as well as the gloss black niche wheels we threw on it. It is a stunning truck. All of these trucks also have exhausts on them, so these both have full course exhaust. Again, interior is a black leather with the yellow stitching to match the exterior. And it has the Raptor steering wheel. I don't know how well you can see it. Raptor steering wheel with functional paddle shifters. These trucks are NA as well as they sit, but we have about 60 superchargers in our parts department at all times that we can supercharge these anytime. So moving on down, another green truck here. So we have three green trucks, another orange truck, so three orange trucks. And then on the end, we have one more red one. These are all stock the way they sit. So if you're interested in any of these, we can put a supercharger or do anything to them. Or if you want to wait to see what we do to them here in the shop, we will make all of these look fantastic. So another red one. So we have two red ones, three orange ones, three green ones. We also have some customer order trucks sprinkled in through here. This one is Mr. Gary Pachel. He got the Argon Blue 4x4 and this thing, and he did a lot of really cool options, from a folding tonneau cover, fully retractable, sun visors. It's a very, very cool truck and a very cool color. And this one is going to be unbelievable. So stay tuned on the full done video on this one, but it's going to be very, very good. And turning the corner here onto our performance row here at LFP, we have some more special F-150s, including some Roush F-150s. You can see here, we've got a Rapid red one. We have an Avalanche one, a carbonized gray one. And then up there, we do have a white one that's going to be being moved into this row today. But the Roush F150, if you haven't seen anything on it, it is very Raptor-esque. It has fully updated suspension, aggressive fender flares, Roush graphics, Roush touches, full custom front end, and a full interior. It is a very off-road capable truck. They're unbelievable. The Roush vehicles are already good in themselves, and then pairing it on the new F150 platform is awesome. Another OEM that we use is Hennessy, and this is the ultimate Raptor ever. This is the Hennessy Velociraptor 600. So it is making almost 600 horsepower, and it is fully done. As you can see, it's riding on a set of lovely bronze Vossens with some Nitto Recon grappler tires. And then you have the full Raptor suspension, all the Raptor works. You get Hennessy badging all over the place. Again, a full custom interior and a lot of amenities and custom touches by Hennessy. So these trucks are awesome, and they are so capable. I mean, just look at how unbelievable that thing looks. It does have a lift on it on top of that Raptor suspension. So, I mean, it's the ultimate stance. Yeah, these, from the Roush to the Hennessy, the F-150s are just remarkable. They are extreme vehicles, and they can handle anything. And then in our showroom, we have some pretty insane F-150s as well. This is a fully in-house built pro-charged F-150. As you can see, the huge unit sitting right there. This thing is producing 700 horsepower the way it sits, and it's fully done, as you can see. Full paint, side badges, mirrors, grille, bumpers. Has full Vossen wheels with the Ride Tech kit again, as well as a middle side exit polish exhaust to match the wheels and the huge, crazy Pro Charger. Inside, full interior. It is a black leather with white stitching in the headrest and white inserts, and at certain lighting you can see it does have an underlay of, yeah, you can see it there, of like a houndstooth pattern that is very subtle, and it's very, very nice. But this is an in-house build that is available right now. This one, as it sits, is under the market for supercharged done trucks. This one is $88,000 the way it sits. That's supercharged, fully custom, using nothing but the highest quality parts here at Lebanon Ford Performance. And then next to it, we do have another Hennessy regular cab. This one, as you can see, is also fully done. It's making about 800 horsepower with the Whipple supercharger. Again, fully lowered, sitting on Vossen wheels, paint everywhere, carbon fiber front splitter, carbon fiber grille, as well as carbon fiber side badges. So it is, again, a full custom truck with the supercharger installed. This one stickers at about $125. So from both price points, with crazy supercharged, crazy power, we have it here available at Lebanon Ford Performance. And then finally, back in the shop, we are working on a couple trucks. This one is in the midst of being built. It is an Argon Blue Lobo F-150, and it is getting the full supercharger kit on it. So this is getting the Stage 1 Whipple supercharger to fully retain warranty, and it is in the midst of being built. So this will be on the ground and done by week's end, and it is going to be sweet. These Lobo F-150s, and this one is getting the full Ride Tech kit and everything, so it's going to sit unbelievable. So keep a lookout for a full video breaking this one down, but as it sits right now, a little behind the scenes in the shop here at Lebanon Ford Performance. And last but not least, we are in our parts department showing off some of these superchargers that we have on our shelf. We have a whole nother pod back there that is just full of them, but these are some of them. We've got Whipples, Roush, we've got it all. So if you need a supercharger, we are 100% your guys. It's another big build going on behind me. You can see weld wheels, Willwood brakes. We've got it all, and this truck is going to be awesome. So stay on the lookout for this one as well. It's getting full Stage 2 special color, and that is all I will say for now. But stay on the lookout for a lot of exciting F-150 content coming your way every Friday. But for now, thank you for joining us for this video. We are very excited on all of these F-150s, and they're all available. Every truck you saw today, besides that Lobo, is available for sale right now. So give us a call on any of them at 513-932-1010, or you can check our whole program out and more information on every one of those F-150s online at LebanonFordPerformance.com.